Hello, I'm Dr. Les Walkling. Welcome to our studio here in Melbourne, Australia. In our ongoing devotion to helping others come together to share their findings and experiences, and to hone their aims and realise their ambitions, we provide a comprehensive education program of workshops, consultations and tutorials. Our workshops are attended via streamed, on-demand delivery and presented as a flipped classroom, where our course material is first viewed and subsequently supported through our weekly in-person tutorials that are live streamed over Zoom. Therefore, you can study with us at any time, in any time zone, and most importantly, at your own pace without any time restrictions, and in the comfort and familiarity of your own working environment, equipment and images. Then our in-person tutorials every week of the year is where we get to answer your follow-up questions and requests as you integrate and refine a workshop's course material and revelations into your own creative practice. And there are no restrictions on the number of tutorials you can attend. Some of our workshops, though, due to their specialised focus, are best presented via individual consultations, which can be scheduled at any time in any time zone, and provide exceptional opportunities to refine specific areas of your personal, professional, and creative practice, often covering quite unique and specialist content. Every year we also present some of our workshops in person, live streamed over 2 half-day Zoom sessions for those who enjoy such intensive engagements. On the other hand, individual, personal consultations on a need-to-know basis provide immediate solutions, while regular ongoing consultations support large-scale projects such as exhibition preparation, artistic mentoring, and research projects including grant applications, submissions, reviews, and audits. Our aim is to share, translate, and adapt our experience, our research, our state-of-the-art workflows, libraries, and extensive archives to inspire, support, and facilitate your intentions, your production skills, your scholarship and creative ambitions. Our workshops comprise the HD workshop recordings of the workshop's 6 sessions, plus recorded tutorials and other videos. They are supported with our extensive workshop resources, including downloadable course notes, test images, targets, actions, macros, 3D LUTs, and more, as well as additional workshop-specific support, such as our bespoke custom printer profiles for the digital fine art printmaking and the black and white digital image workshops, and custom camera profiles for our fine art reproduction and camera craft workshops, plus access to our weekly live-streamed in-person tutorials. All workshop bookings are via that workshop's website, and as soon as payment is received, you gain instant access. Our HD workshop recordings, recorded tutorials, and other videos can be streamed multiple times without any restrictions, and videos can be watched on different devices, but not simultaneously on more than one device at the same time. Our extensive workshop resources can be downloaded and saved for offline viewing, also without any restrictions. And you can attend any of our weekly in-person, live-streamed via Zoom tutorials every Sunday morning here in Melbourne from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard or Australian Eastern Daylight Time. And while it is true that our workshops are intense affairs, covering a lot of information, and often with surprisingly new or alternate forms of practice, we also try to ensure that our workshops are standalone events, in the sense that we do not assume you have attended any of our other events, nor in any particular order. Our only assumption is that you are working at the level the workshop is presented at, or aspire to work at that level. Any familiarity with the relevant content and processes is a bonus and not a prerequisite. What is most important to us is your desire to learn and understand more about what you are interested in and to become so much better at it. And with that, we wish you all the best with your photographic adventures. And it would indeed be a pleasure to catch up at any time at any of our live streamed tutorials and help you in any way we possibly can. Thank you.